How to know if someone has blocked you or deleted their account in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys if someone has blocked you or deleted you in your Instagram account. So, let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app. After that, all you gotta do is search for the person. Now, after you search for the person, you will notice the account here. Now, let me just open up this account. Now, if you just open this up, if they have just disabled or deactivated their account, they will simply have, Instagram user written over here. If they have deleted their account, you won't even be able to find their account. And if they have blocked you as well, you'll still get the Instagram user on their username and 0 posts. So that is the indicator that someone has blocked you or just deleted their account on Instagram. So you can know by simply searching for them. If you go to the search bar, you will not be able to find them through there too. So yeah, that is basically how you know, guys. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.